Hello friends, my name is Kaustup Patel. Today we are speaking about youth in politics. Youth in politics, enrollment in the politics. These are the demography of the significance of the youth politics cannot be overstand at they represent the substitutional protect of the popular in the many countries. This involves the withdrawal for the respective democracy, ensuring that there was the voice of the heard at their preservatives are taken into the account. The youth brings the fresh preservatives to the table, often the challenges the status and the advisable in the for the changes throughout the history. The young people have played pivotal roles in the politics movement, for the civil rights to the environment activists, war protest, and recently the climate strike, led by the young activities as the powerful example of the impact youth can be have the shaping the politics landscape. uh, Despite of the barriers of young people faces such a limit access the political networks and the dissolution with system that are the platforms to the opportunities available for them to make the difference of the social media has become the powerful tool for the mobilization in the environment, in the politics, issues with the youth leads organization empower youth voice in the politics. The examples of the youth politics impact can be seen in the initiative like the Green New Deal of the global movements like the Friday for the Future. Movement this movement shows how the young peoples can be drive convocation of the politics of the issues, influencing the changes and shaping the future of the society. Ensuring youth participations in the politics, we can must focus on the education, environments, and the support for promoting the education in the schools, and providing the programs can be helps the brings the gap between the young and the actives of the established the political figures. The features of the young politics looks promoting with the young leaders and the various countries, including the shift towards the more inclusive and the shifts towards more inclusive and positives and the positives of the political re- representation of the youth politics, the essential for the development, ensuring that the future generation have the say in the decision that affects the lives. In the conclusion, the youth conclusion the youth the youth environment in the politics is not just a trend. It is a necessary force for the change. By the improving the young peoples to actively the political process, society can benefit for the energy, um, the building of a better future better future uh, encouragement their participation through the education education and opportunities will provide the more inclusive and the political landscape. Thank you so much.